Ever feel like your files are taking over your computer? Let's tame that digital chaos and learn how to zip them up. Compressing files into a zip archive on your Windows PC or laptop is a super handy skill for making file sharing a breeze, keeping your data neat, and even saving a bit of digital space. It's like putting your documents into a perfectly organized digital suitcase. First, locate the files or folders you want to compress. You can select multiple items by clicking on the first one, then holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on the other files you want to include, or, if they're all together, you can click and drag your mouse to draw a box around them. Once your files are selected, right-click on any one of them. This will bring up your context menu, that handy list of options. In this menu, hover your mouse over the Send to option. A submenu will appear here. You'll see an option that says Compressed Zip Folder. Go ahead and click on that. And just like that, Windows automatically creates a new folder with a zipper icon. This is your brand new zip file, containing all the files you selected. You can even rename this zip file by clicking on it once and then clicking on the name again, or by right-clicking and selecting Rename. You'll notice that this zip file is often smaller in size than the original files combined, which is perfect for emailing or uploading. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your digital life.